How to send emoji on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to send emoji on Ludo King. Sending emoji on Ludo King is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Ludo King app on your mobile device. Log in using your preferred method. For example, Facebook, Google, or as a guest if required. Start a game with other players, either online or with friends. During the game, tap on the gift icon, usually located at the opponent's profile, often represented by a gift box. The emoji window will open. Tap on the emoji icon, usually found next to the text input area. Select the emoji you want to send from the available option. The emoji will appear in the chat for other players to see. And here you go, that's how you can send emoji on Ludo King. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.